Pineapple is a delicious fruit, very popular around the world, and brings many benefits to our health. It can be eaten in pieces, juices, jams, and even as a syrup. It can also improve digestion, blood circulation, respiratory and heart health, and immune system. Did you know that pineapple also fights colds, flu, infections, and parasites? Besides all those benefits, pineapple can also help with weight loss and cancer prevention. Isn't it amazing? Originally from South America, today it can be found all over the world. Pineapple is rich in water-soluble and insoluble fibers, such as pectin, vitamins B and C, beta-carotene, and minerals such as calcium, copper, manganese, potassium, magnesium, iron, and zinc. It also contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with protein digestion. Did you know that? See now all the benefits of pineapples and how to use it for different purposes. Helps with weight loss. Because it has a lot of water, pineapple is a great diuretic, and thus a great ally for your body, helping reduce liquid retention. Eating pineapples reduces the craving for sweets, making this fruit a great aid for those who are trying to lose weight. If this is your case, eat 2 slices of pineapple with cinnamon in the mornings. Improves digestion. The bromelain found in pineapples acts in the stomach, digesting proteins, facilitating nutrient utilization, and helping and accelerating heavy digestion. Because of the high levels of fiber, it also prevents constipation and regulates the intestine. In this case, eat a cup of chopped pineapple in between each meal. Are you enjoying this video? Share it with your friends so they can learn about these benefits too. Prevents and treats colds. The bromelain, along with high amounts of vitamin C, acts to reduce phlegm and mucus formation in the respiratory system. Besides preventing them, bromelain can also help eliminate things from your body. If that's your case, make a pineapple syrup. You will need 2 cups of diced pineapples, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, and the juice of 1 lemon. Blend everything together in a blender, and take 1 tablespoon of this syrup 3 times a day until the symptoms go away. It will boost your immune system since 3.5 ounces of pineapple has more than 40% of the recommended amount of daily dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C stimulates white cells and acts as an antioxidant, fighting the free radicals that can cause diseases, including cancer. Fights arthritis. Once more, bromelain is in the spotlight. Besides breaking down complex proteins, it also has a great anti-inflammatory effect, reducing the signs and symptoms of arthritis. To get this benefit, drink a cup of pineapple juice in the morning while still fasting. Don't add sugar. Controls blood pressure. The potassium found in pineapples is an important vasodilator. It alleviates tension in the blood vessels and promotes good blood circulation throughout the body. It prevents the buildup of residues in the veins, reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Besides potassium, pineapple also contains copper, essential to the good functioning of the human body. Copper acts on the production of healthy red blood cells. The more red blood cells in your body, the better will be the oxygenation of the organs. As a consequence, it also improves cognitive capacities and helps prevent neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's. If you want to control your blood pressure, it is important to eat pineapple with foods that contain nitrates, like beets. In a blender, add 1½ cup of diced pineapples, 1 cup of sliced beets, 1/4 cup of celery leaves, and 1 cup of water. Drink 1 or 2 cups of this juice per day. Only eat ripe, yellow pineapples. Green pineapples are dangerous and toxic for humans and can cause vomiting and diarrhea. Besides that, the acidity of this fruit can also cause canker sores, stomatitis, and other sores in your mouth. If you have any of these conditions, avoid eating pineapples. So, did you already know all the benefits of this powerful fruit? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.